Oh, you're a software engineer. So you have a rainbow computer with 2 monitors. You just insulted my entire race of people. But yes. Prisoners in Finland live in open prisons where they learn tech skills. For your crimes, I shall sentence you to a 2-year course of JavaScript.
That's the evilest thing I can imagine!
I mean, if it had said error at line 16, I'd be the happiest man in the world. But at line 548, in a 70-line file, I am a man, woman, compiler. Looking for a man, woman, right bracket on line 69. We're all compilers deep inside. A programmer was walking out of door for work. His wife said, "While you're out, buy some milk," and he never came home. Poor guy, must be desperate to catch a break. Inspirational movies be like villain who practiced all his life, hero who did a 2-month crash course. Programming in a nutshell. If you want to cry, I'll give you something to cry about. Your code starts working and you don't know why. People, what is your job? Me, I'm a software engineer. People, oh, nice job. You're smart. I wish I could do that too, but I'm not smart enough. Me on Google, how do I import my CSS file into HTML? How I center the Facebook icon on my webpage? Me after watching my computer science teacher have a stroke after looking at my Java project that I wrote in 1 line. Looks like she couldn't handle the Neutron style. Artists after 30 minutes. Oh yeah, it's just a quick sketch. Programmers after 3 hours. I wrote 3 lines of code and broke the entire thing. Here, have a little void to scream into, as a treat. Thank you, and since it's not moving and belongs to all of us, it's a public static void mainly. Refactoring code frequently and staying ahead of dependency deprecations. Get a new job every 2 years to avoid dealing with my own tech debt.
Modern problems require modern solutions.
Do you write SQL in uppercase or lowercase? Why do you prefer to do it that way? Uppercase. For some reason I am scared of writing SQL in lowercase. It's the law? How to get into woodworking. Step 1. Learn to code. Step 2. Burnout. Step 3. Get into woodworking. When you've been getting the same error for 3 hours but now you get a different error. Very nice. Then later you go back to the same error. Microsoft to shut down Internet Explorer in August 2021. Web developers. Finally, inner peace. When they give you pen and paper to write code in interview.
Have you lost your mind?
Even if you're fully vaccinated, the CDC still recommends finishing your current project before starting 12 new ones. AI is going to take over the world. AI. Snail. It's a front end, it's a back end. Is it both? It's both. I hate it. Product team taking credit for the success of a new release. Engineers.
Why must you hurt me in this way?
When you mistype double end instead of or. My biggest fear is that I'll one day run into a problem that hasn't been solved on Stack Overflow and I'll have to restart my project with a different technology. Me, I am good in C language. Interviewer, then write hello world using C. Me. You're hired. I design and build complex software systems. I create websites and applications. I write text on a computer. I press keys on a keyboard. I force electrons to do math. Me a C++ Java C# developer, typing in int string double char in Python and having a red line appear under them. Where are they?
What is this place?
What book fricked you up mentally? A comprehensive guide to JavaScript programming. Days since last time zone issue, 0. On my way to edit the web server's config file. First day at a new job, and other devs use a framework you are not familiar with, but you lied on your resume. Cookies are bad, they track people. We should let the users choose if they want to allow them or not. Then we just remember if they don't want to. Then we just remember if they don't want to. How to code fast. Open browser. Search for the code. Control C. Control V. Programmers know the real power of backend. Day 1 of Python. How can I learn Python? Day 3 of Python. Machine learning engineer positions near me. Normal programming. True or false? Quantum programming. Developer, I finished the project. It is ready for QA. QA, I have run all tests. Project contains no known bugs. End user, causes too much pain and agony. Don't know why it's so popular nowadays. I'm just going to use toilet paper. Me slowly realizing that I forgot to call the function while yelling at the compiler. When you refactor an ancient code, but there's this dodgy if statement that you're afraid of removing. Why are programmers paid so much? Single, so elitist, so mean, socially awkward. Why are programmers bald? And the questions are sorted by the years of experience. This is the first picture I was given of my unborn son. Congratulations, it's a computer error. The prophecy has been made. Going to sleep without being able to solve that one error. Frick you and I'll see you tomorrow. Being able to convert any solution into a Python one-liner does not make you a better coder. Leak coders. If those kids could read, they'd be very upset. Front end. Back end. Marketing versus reality. Trade offer. I receive input. You receive output. I receive your code. You receive 60 errors. You have a bad memory, so you forgot how to solve the issue. You find the exact issue on Stack Overflow. It was you who answered it a week ago. Do you have any history of mentally ill in your family? No, I'm the first programmer in my family. Maybe JavaScript doesn't suck. Maybe you just suck at JavaScript. Hope this helps. I have worked with JavaScript for over 20 years. It is made up of duct tape held together by baling wire and band-aids. That is why a new JS framework comes out every 2 weeks. I only use it because no one will agree on what to replace it with. Reviewing a junior developer's code. Oh dear, gorgeous. Reviewing a peer's code. You freaking donkey. Python logo reveals how to sit while coding. I am already used to sit like that. So, that means you're a native Python developer. Debugging with advanced tools. Print hey. Me writing great code. Stack Overflow. I've learned HTML and CSS. Will I get a job now? Satan. Programmers who use light-themed IDE. I remember I started freelancing just to upgrade my video card, and now I ended up as a programmer. My condolences. Whoa! You made it to the end. Here's some meme juice for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily meme juice. Also, check out the description for more juicy meme videos. See ya!